Hi everybody, how are you? This is Jennifer from Wuhu Deli Foods in China. We are a honey manufacturer over 20 years and export different honey to all over the world. Today, I will introduce one of the most popular honey. It's called Longan Honey. Longan Honey is dark amber, sweet in taste, not easy to crystallize, and has a rich longan flower fragrance. It's mainly produced in South China and rich in nutrients and is very popular among European customers. Deli Foods Longan Honey is the best honey, which is the highest protein content in Chinese single nectar. You see, this is our Longan Honey. It's very thick. This is around 16 moisture, and we can do 15, 16, 18, 17. And so on as you need. About the color, there's little difference because of the season and the climate, but not too much difference. Generally dark amber, and the pH value is from 4 to 6. HMF is no more than 40. Dietase is no less than 8.3. Longan honey is very popular honey, and the taste is very good. The Longan honey is also very popular in Thailand. For the Longan honey, we have many kinds of package, bulk package and a small package. Designed package and the label is also okay, like this one. This is 1 kg. 1 kg glass bottle. Generally pack 6 pieces in 1 carton. The honey is very good, right? It can be used in our normal life, like with warm water or milk or other drink. But please pay attention to that to use warm water. Now people are seeking health and can use honey instead of sugar. It's really a good choice for our health. Wuhu Deli Foods honey is natural because we are not the honey maker. We are just the remover of the nature. For exporting, we are professional. And you're welcome to contact us. The very simple welcome to your site. Alright, okay. Thank you. Bye.